Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical and electronics engineer. The name of the company is Byju's. So you all know this company. It's a leading app for leading platform for online teaching, and many students have been installed this app and have got benefited. So it's India's #1 learning platform for students. So if you are willing to work in this company means then you have to apply for this job. So here you will be having three dots, you have to pick on that, so that you will be getting job location in various job opportunities when you scroll down. So the name of the post is operation associate, that is in inventory production and return management. So it's a temporary job. So if you are willing to apply means you have to click, we have to scroll down. So it's one of the world's most valuable education company and headquarters in Bangalore. The creators have created for the school students for reaching them and engaging them, and for effective learning from 1 to 12th and competitive exams like GEE, NEET, CAT, IAS, etc. So almost they have launched in 2015 and successfully running till now. So if you are willing to join hands with them, kindly apply for this job. And it's in Bangalore. If you are performing well means then you will be converted or you will be promoted for as a permanent job holder in Byju's. And job summary is you will be responsible for complete movement of electronic and non-electronic inventory, which will be received from your procurement team and returned inward team. And other responsibilities are like you must have excellent verbal and written skills and good interpersonal skills, responsible production and maintenance of electronic devices and non-electronic inventories, and maintain data and create report analysis. So these are things which they expect from you, and you have to report to your team member. The qualification and experience is the preferred candidate is both male and female eligible for this position. And qualification, if you have any graduate degree, it's more than enough. Freshers can apply for this job. If you have 1 year experience, it's well and good. If you have any critical thinking or team elaboration and time management ethics, these are things which they expect from you. And interested people, if you scroll down, you can apply for this job. The job location is Bangalore, and yeah, there will be an icon called apply for the job. You have to click on the icon. So after clicking that, you will be getting a mail ID. So you have to send your resume or CV to the recruitment at byju's.com. So they will be intimating or calling you for interview, and further process will be communicated through registered mail ID and registered phone number. And kindly share this video with mechanical and electronic students, it will be very much helpful for them. And stay tuned with our channel, we will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thank you.